Yo, 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 people, what's good? Right, I've got another wicked unboxing. Once again, courtesy of my family from FOOTSHOP, who are doing wicked things out in Eastern Europe. And these bad boys here, the Nike Air Max 1 Strawberry Lemonade and the Lemonade. Now, the Lemonade originally came out in 2006 as part of the Nike Air Max Powerwall series, which was a retort to Adidas's Superstar 35th anniversary the year before. Nike saw what Adidas had done with their crazy tiering of products and the executions, you know, employing different stores and brands, and they thought, right, we've got to do our own version, okay? And some of the silhouettes in that series are almost so sought after by so many collectors out there. Real sneaker connoisseur business. The Nike Air Max 1 BRS, for example, beautiful. Okay, the Nike Air Max 1 BRS Air Max 90, one of the finest executions of an Air Max 90 I've ever seen. The Morning Glory Air Max as part of the Air Max 1 as part of the Tier 0, little strata of the 7 tiers that were available. Absolutely exquisite. Some of the models, beautiful. You had a celebration of all the OG models at that time as well. The Air Max 1, the Air Max 90, the Air Max 93, the Air Max 95, the Air Max 97, all the way through to the Air Max 2006 at the time, which is the first time that Nike had incorporated 360 see-through sole. So it was a very significant moment there. And it's mad to think that these things are taken for granted now, especially with things like the Vapor Max, etc. You know, all see-through soles in all directions. But back then, the technology was very nascent, and it was celebrated to the fullest. So anyway, you know, so we've already seen these bad boys. The Limeade's already come out about a month and a half ago. Now we've got the next two in the trilogy, the OG and the Strawberry Lemonade. Since some people are already familiar with the Lemonade, let's go into the Strawberry Lemonade. Now these bad boys are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Already one of my favorite executions of an Air Max 1 ever, and rivaling the original Lemonades as well, for sure. Let's get up close so you can check it out. Got the beautiful smooth leather. You got the mesh, the lemon laces, the lemon pop on the little lace hole there. You got the Air logo, the beautiful Air logo, and the bubble right in there. Look at that, nice little pop on the heel. From all angles, absolutely killer. You got the optional laces as well. You get 3 extra laces for the win. Beautiful detail on the insole. And then also, that isn't enough, you got the little strawberry right there on a tongue tab. Beautiful. Right, now we're going to take it all the way back to 2006. Now, I'm not blessed enough to have a pair of the 2006 ones, but from all accounts, these are very worthy indeed to the OGs. And still, to this day, look at that. Beautiful. Perfect look for summer. All 3 of them are absolutely exquisite. But that lemon pop, wow. I'm already harking for summer. Of course, you got the Lemonade on the tongue and on the insole as well. These also come with alternate laces, meaning that you can flip up the look in many different ways. And I have to say, that's a definite good look. Look at that. 3 optionals as well. You've got the lemons, you've got the stripes, and you've got the whites. So anyway, Nike stay killing it once again, paying due reverence to these bad boys that debuted 14 years ago, taking it all the way up to these bad boys and these bad boys. Yo, my FOOTSHOP fam, thank you very much for looking out, for helping me present this to these peoples. And yo, you guys out there, stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. One love.